Alright, so it's lunchtime. Let's make a grilled cheese sandwich. That's also the first. I never done it before, but let's do it. So we are going to use sourdough bread, cheese. I might put some tomato and jalapeno pepper. Man, it's hot. Look at that. Oh my God. Barely. Okay. What should I do? I think I should put some butter. Oh man, butter is already melting. Yeah. So I am supposed to put this, then cheese. I guess a lot of cheese because it is a grilled cheese sandwich. I think that's enough. One sandwich is enough. Okay, my friends, I am doing it for the first time. So if I'm not doing it right, please forgive me. There's not much I can do at this time. That's how I was told to do. And I think that's how it's supposed to go. And then this side will have the butter as well. I'm gonna put it on low flame so this way it doesn't burn. Hopefully. Smells good. I think I should put some cheese on the top of the, like here as well. I am assuming, I'm not sure. What do you think, guys? Have you made grilled cheese sandwich before? If you did, how did it turn out to be? Did you burn it? Let me know. Let me turn around, and if it's not cooked, I can always come back. And looks good. Yeah. It is sticky. That is good. Good sign. Oh, I burned my hand. This side is good. Wow, look at that. I think I'm gonna take it off. My friends, look at that. Wow. I have to make the other one and then we will taste it. Or maybe I taste it while I'm making the other one. Yeah. Let's try. Very good. Really good. The cheese is good, especially with the tomatoes and jalapeno peppers. Very nice. And top it off with, how about Yellowbird Serrano? Oh yeah. Real good. I mean, the bread is excellent, but $9.19, that's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, now this one is jalapeno, another great one. Let's see, and jalapeno peppers right here. There you go. Even better. What do you think? I did okay? Let me know. Jalapeno. Man. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Let me take care of this, and I see you in the next one. Thanks again.